Hi everyone, I am Divya Bharati, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. We are now discuss about the subject name as Principles of Management, and the subject code is MG8591. So first we discussed the Unit 1. The Unit 1 contains the subject topics as the management definition, role of managers, evolution of management, and organization and the environmental factors, and recent trends and challenges of management in global scenario. So first of all, we know about what do you mean by management. So management is every management is takes place in any place. In for example, in our family, the father is the head of the family, so he is manage the home duties and assign the work to all the persons in the home. Like that, in organizations also same, like the management has the different role. So first of all, we know about what do you mean by management. Is an art of getting things done through and with the people in formally organized groups. It is an art of creating an environment in which people can perform and individuals and can cooperate towards attainment of group goals. So the management is the art and science of getting together people and to achieve the organization goal. So the main aim is to achieve the organization group with the group activity. Formally, the individual and the group can cooperate towards the attainment of achieve the goals. So there are levels of management is top level, middle level, and lower level. So three levels of management. So the next one is functions of management. The functions of management contains the 5 parts is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. This is the basic things of the management. So from the second unit, we briefly discussed about planning, and the third unit is organizing, and the fourth unit is directing, and finally the fifth unit is controlling. So these functions of management is elaborately we discussed in the next chapters. First, we basically know about what do you mean by planning. So planning, the 5 functions of management was first described by Henry Fayol in 1916 in the administration. So the functions in general theory of business administration, it argues the management is comprised of 5 general functions: planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. So the Fayol explains this: planning is the hardest of the 5 functions. The managers must plan for the future and develop appropriate strategies to meet organizational goals. And the next one is organizing. Is nothing but the process of assembling physical, financial, and human resources, organizing all the activities in the department, in the management, and then is to achieve the goals. And commanding. So planning, organizing, staffing, or commanding. Staffing is nothing but it's recruit the people from different places and give right job to the right candidate. So the staffing is the selection of people from any place from the for international business. The staffing takes place in a numerical way, and like that. Inside the organization, internal environment and external environment also. Internally environment in internal recruitment is the promoting the employees in a higher position, and external means the vacancies position is filled by the other persons from outside the area. So the commanding successful managers communicate clearly and honestly and act in a way that reflects company values. Then fourth one is coordinating. It's the fourth function aims to create harmony between the various activities within an organization. So the final one is controlling. Controlling is the process being made towards the goals and objectives started in the planning phase. So this is the main important basic functions for every management. So planning is aim is to vision and mission. Vision is the long-term goal of the organization, and mission is the short-term goal of the organization. Then strategizing goals and objectives. Then organizing is organization structure, social networks, organization design. These are all comes under the organization. Then leading is leadership. Then decision making, communicating, and groups and teams are motivations. So the leader motivate the each and every employees in the organization so as to achieve the goals. So leading is direct the employees, so how to work in the organization, and how to motivate the other employees in the organization, and the communication between the employees. These are all comes under the leading. And controlling is a systematic process. So the after the leading and the organization function, the controlling activities may take some measures for take some controlling measures to accommodate the implement the next steps. So planning is how to do, what is to do, and how to do, and who is to do. The strategic formulation, these are all strategic formulation. And organizing, leading, controlling is strategic implementation. Then different types of managers are present in the organization. The first one is interpersonal, informational, and decisional. Interpersonal is figurehead, leader, and liaison. And information is monitor, disseminator, and spokesperson. And decisional is entrepreneur, negotiator, resource locator, and disturbance handler. So the evaluation of management thought, behavior approach, quantitative approach, systematic approach, and contingency approach. So this is the way the management is developed in a step-by-step process. Then contribution of Fayol and Taylor. So contribution, the Fayol and Taylor takes place a major role in the development of the management. So this is he explains the management in a different way. So the Taylor scientific management is a technique that is to how to manage the organization in the field. So scientific task and rate setting, work improvement, planning the task, vocational selection and training, and standardization of working conditions, material, equipments, etc. Then specialization and mental revolution. And same like Henry Fayol's 14 principles of management. So these are the basic principles we can follow for a successful management in the organization. The employees will follow this employees on the management will follow these principles, easy to manage the organization in a successful manner. So the first one is division of work. Divide the work for the employees in the organization so as to allocate the work and easy to understand the work. And that is the division of work. Authority and responsibility. So the responsible and authority is given to a particular person so as to easy to analyze and gives work for the different peoples in the organization. Discipline. Then unity of command, unity of direction, alignment of interest, remuneration of employees, centralization, scalar chain, order, equity, stability of personnel, initiative, and esprit de corps. So these are all some of the basic things we can follow in the management. So these are the small parts in the unit 1. Thank you.